We're in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane, and it is time to taste some food, which we love, always love. And I'm joined by my favorite gentleman. We have Chef Laurent Serrati.
Hello, Christy.
Thank you for being here.
So good to see you.
And my co-host, Tomas.
Here we are again.
I know, we love it, don't we? We love Second Harvest. Thanks to Second Harvest
and we're closer.
I know.
It's nice.
It's very nice.
Good.
And we had just quite the journey with Washington Grown.
This season was unlike any other.
I know.
It was very special, very unique, and I'm just glad that the viewers at home got a chance to see a little bit of that.
Yes, and the baked goods in Vietnam.
Oh.
We had our share, didn't we?
We did. Well, and then you guys saw the spread of food that was in front of us. I mean, it was insane how much stuff was out there.
It's like how it should always be, right?
Right.
If we're gonna taste something, we need to taste
It all.
A lot.
Everything. And I also loved visiting, the family at Cowpath Dairy.
Oh, yeah.
Just seeing how the whole family gets involved, and it's a full family experience, and that's what I love about our Washington dairy farmers, our wheat growers, because when you put the two together, right,
we can cook.
We can make some delicious stuff.
Exactly. And
limitless things.
Yes, endless things.
Yeah.
But today we're going to cook a Canneles de Bordeaux. It's one of my favorite cake. It's good as a snack, for coffee, for break in the afternoon, for breakfast.
Anything, it sounds like.
Anytime, yeah.
How do you pronounce it again? It's
Canneles de Bordeaux.
Canneles de Bordeaux.
Yeah,
De Bordeaux.
De Bordeaux.
Canneles de Bordeaux.
De Bordeaux.
So we're going to see how it's made.
Yes.
Our whizzes in the kitchen from Washington Grown and Second Harvest are gonna help us out. So let's see how you make Canneles de Bordeaux. This is beautiful.
I know.
It's just a nice, fun little shape. This is impressive.
Yes, and so you were saying that we didn't use a copper mold, but
Yes.
the original recipe requires that.
Exactly.
But-
The recipe is with copper mold,
Yeah.
but you can do it also with a silicone
Love it.
mold.
So it
It's
looks
great.
crispy on the
Yeah, it's
outside.
a 2-day recipe, so you have to.
Two-day recipe.
2-day recipe.
Oh, so you
I'm
guys-
losing my.
I'm just gonna go for it right
Let's
here.
go for it. Oh, wow.
Gooey a little bit inside.
Oh my goodness, you're
It
right.
kind of reminds me of a creme brulee, a little bit. It's got like that custardy inside, and then you got that crunchy outside.
Yeah, the texture is
It's
amazing.
very crisp outside, very soft inside, and
Subtly sweet.
not too much.
Right.
There's a little bit of alcohol in there to give a little flavor.
And what's the alcohol?
It's rum.
Rum.
Very
the
light.
whole flavor of it is delicious.
And one of the things I remember you talking about, Laurent, a lot was like the amount of sugar and salt. Sometimes I think we're accustomed to using too much. Whereas you get a recipe like this, it's subtle. It's there.
But it's not overwhelming.
Right.
Look
Exactly.
at that. So magic can happen when you put Washington dairy and Washington wheat together.
Oh yeah, the best
Right?
wheat in the world, Washington wheat.
I'm just sad I only got one.
There's more.
I think
I
I'm
saw
gonna
him in the
finish
kitchen.
it.
To get the recipe for Chef Laurent Serrati's Canneles de Bordeaux, visit us at wagrown.com.